song and fly about the whole day long. And when the night comes, go to rest up in my cozy little nest. Bird build a nest as for the same reason as man built his home. They lay their eggs in the nest and hatch and nurture the young ones till the time they can fly away. Fly away! They make their nest with hay, grass, twigs, straw, dry leaves to make their nest. They make their nest soft using pieces of cotton or feathers. They take a cozy place in the branches of trees to not get noticed by bigger bird and animals. Thank you. Now my friends will tell you about 4 amazing birds.
I am a peacock. Peacock is a national bird of India. Peacock, one of the most beautiful birds on the earth. Peacock usually has a blue color. Peacock makes its nest on the ground and near bushes. Peacock has a unique sound. Pew, pew, pew. Now you talk to my woodpecker friend.
Hi friends, guess what bird I am? That's right, I'm a woodpecker. Woodpeckers are small birds. They live in a forest. There's 200 woodpeckers in the world. Woodpeckers are cute birds. Woodpecker has a strong pointed beak. Woodpecker doesn't get headache, and that's my sound. I'm gonna pick the tree. I live in a tree hole. I can pick up to 20 times in a second without getting a headache because I have air pocket protecting my brain. Woodpeckers are omnivores. They eat bugs, worms, leaves, and fruits. Thank you. Now my other bird friends wants to talk to you.
My name is Arush and I'm a eagle. I fly, I enjoy the sky. I streams, trees, whistle, try. I am eagle with wings wide. Around the world I am found. My nests are above the ground. I make my nest with twigs from all around. My nests are so pretty. Thank you. Now my next friend will talk to you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ahana, and today I will tell you about birds. Koyan. Do you know, friends? I don't have any nest, and I lay eggs in the nest of crow. My egg look